Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about container in Flutter. So, in the Flutter, a container is a widget that contain and decorate other widget. It is a versatile and a common used widget for layout and styling. It is a parent widget that contains multiple child widget. These are the some properties for the Flutter widget: child, color, height, margin, padding, alignment, and decoration. So let's simple create. So let me show you this simple example of the container. So this will be the example for the container. I think let's just start it again and let's just create it again. So here I am going to use the import package flutter material. Okay, void main run app my run. So this will be the entry point. Here I am going to create this my app which will extend stateless widget. Okay, so inside this I will use the override keyword widget build builder context. Inside this I will return the material app which will have our home scaffold. Here I will use app bar. Inside the app bar I will declare my title of this widget. Let's say contain example. Okay, so inside after my app bar, inside the body, I will create this center. Here I will pass my container. Okay, so let me show you this property of the container. Here it also have the width. Let's say we can width it 250. Height will be also 250, and padding. Padding is also a part of the container as well. Let's say age inside all. So this will be add the padding for the all of the boundaries. All of the boundaries. Okay. Let's also add the margin, which will give the outer spacing from the for the container. Let's say store attach all. Here it also add the padding for all the sides. Let's say 8. Okay, so let's also use this decoration. Here I will do the box decoration, which will inside the box decoration I will give the color, which will be the, let's say, red. Okay, and what we can do is also add the border radius as well. Let's say border radius cellular 10. Okay, so this will be the property which are for the container. Let's say also add the text inside the container as well. After these property inside here, I will pass the child, which will be have our text. Let's say inside text of the container. Okay, let's say also style this one. I will use the style keyword. Inside this I will pass the style textile color. Here I will pass the color, let's say white, and we can also give the style of, we can also give the font as font weight, font size, font variation. Let's give the font weight as well. We can do it like font weight bold. Okay, so this will be the simple example for the container. Let's just run this. Okay, let's just connect this one. Let's run our emulator first. It should be connected. It is not connected. Yeah, it is connected, and let's run it. By the way, this will be the simple example that I have created previously, and this is the container that we are talking about. Here is the container where I added the internal padding. This one is for the internal padding, and outer one is for the margin as well. This will be the internal text, and here I added the color like inside the decoration, and this will be the title. Let's wait until it run. Hmm, Example for the container. So let me explain you the example this. Okay, so this red color is coming from this box decoration where I pass this color red, and this radius is coming from the line number 21, which is the border radius, and outer padding is coming from the padding inside at all. Inside padding it is coming from the line number 17 padding, and this width and height is coming from the 50 line number 15 and 16. So these all are the property of the container, and container are generally used for many purposes in the R application. So that's it for my side. Thank you for watching.